guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 5 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2914. Minimum number of changes to make binary string beautiful. Okay. So this problem is actually going to be very easy. You just need to know a one hint, okay, or one concept. Okay, if I just give you that hint, then this problem is going to become very easy. Okay, so you are given a zero indexed binary string s having an even length. Okay, even length only. Okay, a string is beautiful if it's possible to partition it into one or more substrings such that each substring has an even length. Okay, each substring has even length. Okay, and each substring contains only ones or only zeros. Okay, you can change any character in s to 0 or 1. All right, we have to return the minimum number of changes required to make the string s beautiful. All right, okay, so this is given to us and these are the constants, right? Even length always, and character is 0 or 1. Okay, so here see this even length. Okay, so here you see, if I just take this complete, so here all the characters are not 0 or 1. Okay, there are some zeros or there are some ones, so this is not beautiful. Okay, so now let's make it beautiful. So how we can make it beautiful? So we can make it beautiful like this. If I just change this 0 to 1, okay, and this 1 to 0, I can make this beautiful. Okay, and if I partition it like this and like this, then this string is beautiful, right? Then this string is beautiful. Okay, this is one way to make this string beautiful. Okay, what is the other way to make it beautiful? Other way to make it beautiful is like this. If I just change this 1 to 0 and this 1 to 0, okay, then also it is beautiful. Okay, but here how many characters I'm changing? Okay, minimum number of changes required to make string as beautiful. So here also I'm doing two changes, right? And here also I'm doing two changes. So we are just uh, finding the number of changes that we need to make our string beautiful, right? This is what we need, right? So you can make it in any way. Okay, so here what I'm going to do here to solve this problem, 1001. Okay, I'm going to split this string in two sets. Okay, like this. Okay, I will break it here. I will take this as one set, I will take this as one set. Okay, and then in this set I will see if these two characters are different. If these two characters are different in this set, I will increment the count. So my count is incremented to 1. Then I'm going to check this set. So in this set both the characters are different, I'm incrementing my count to 2. Okay, so that is going to be my output. Simple. We are just going to break it in two sets. Okay, so if I just check in two sets, I will easily find that I need some change here. Okay, because at least I need the length 2 of my subset. Okay, because each substring has an even length. Okay, so that is why two pieces I'm breaking. Okay, so here two pieces I break it. Okay, so 1 and 0 both are not equal, so increment the count is going to become 1, return 1. Okay, break it into 2. Okay, so here this character and this character matching, count remains zeros. This character and this character matches, count remains zeros, so my output is 0. That's it. Okay, so this is very easy, right? Now let's move to the coding part. Here int count is equal to 0 and take the length s dot length. Okay, then run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1. Okay, and I plus plus. All right, here I'm just going to check, and here I'm just going to increment the count plus plus. Okay, and here I'm just going to increment the I every time. Okay, because I'm checking two sets. Okay, first like this. Okay, 1 0 0 1. So first my I is here, so I'm going to check this and this. Then my I is directly moving to this position. Okay, I'm checking this and this. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, I plus plus, and in the end just return count. That's it. Okay, now let's run it and see if there are code issues. The time complexity for this problem is going to be of n. Let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.